Hi there, students. Get a load of this. Okay, get a load of this. This is an imperative, an exclamation, saying, listen to this, look at this. This is used to direct someone's attention to something. Get a load of that car. Wow, it's quite incredible. Okay, so if you're saying get a load of, you're saying look at that, inspect that, see that, or get a load of this, listen to what I'm going to say. Yeah? Get a load of that suit that George is wearing. Get a load of that pretty lady in that beautiful short dress. Yeah? Or get a load of this. I read this morning that one of our neighbours won the lottery. Okay, so to get a load of something, to experience something, especially by looking and listening. Yeah, using this phrase, get a load of this, you're saying that something is very noteworthy, it's something remarkable, you really need to see this. Yeah, it's quite incredible, get a load of this. Okay, so get a load of someone, get a load of something, look at that, listen to that. Let's see. The walls are quite thin in these buildings, and often you get a load of the neighbours shouting at each other. Okay, you can hear. You can't avoid it. But get a load of that. Pay attention to this. Listen to this. This is interesting. This is surprising. It's attractive. You've really got to look at this. I strongly recommend you look at this. Get a load of the shark in the roof of that house. Yeah? Okay? There's one in Oxford. So to get a load of, listen to this. Hear this. Pay attention to this. Look at this. Yeah? But it's drawing what someone attention to something. Did you get a load of what the Prime Minister said? Did you listen to? Did you understand it? Did you hear it? Okay, he slapped me on the back and said, get a load of this joke I'm going to tell you. Okay, so he listened to, pay attention to, get a load of it, literally get a large amount of it, hold on to a large amount of it, get a load of this, get a load of that, listen to it. Okay, so listen to what I've said, have a look at that. Yeah, get a load of this new song, it's really good, it's remarkable, it's really noteworthy. Okay, so get a load of. Let's see, formality. This is informal. I think I would give this a 3 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, and I wouldn't use it in any written circumstance at all. Use it as an informal comment. Listen to this. Look at this. Get a load of this. Yeah. Pay attention to this. Notice this. Look at this. I'm using it to draw somebody's attention to something. Yeah. This is interesting. This is attractive. This is interesting. But this is definitely a slang phrase. So get a load of this. It's a slang phrase. Get a load of that good-looking woman who's coming down the street. Yeah. Get a load of this. Get a load of that. Okay, so an informal phrase, yeah? This is drawing somebody's attention to something. Did you get a load of what's happening in the United States? Did you get a load of this teacher who had to resign for showing her students a photograph of David by Michelangelo? Okay, so to get a load of. Okay, a load is a large amount, so I think maybe the idea is participate in this to the hilt, to the end. So enough. I hope you've got a load of what I've been trying to explain. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To get a load of him, to get a load of her, to get a load of something.